Okay, the chickens are in the laundry room. Guys, what are you guys doing? Girls and boy, what are you guys doing? We only have 3 chickens now because Jewel died when we went to the water park with Saren and Kyla and the twins. When we came back home, it was night. Jewel was fainted. We had to bury her that night. But even with 3 chickens, it's still fun. We're only gonna have 2 hens now and 1 rooster. You guys want to see them come out? Here, I have an idea. Here, let's open the door. The door up there. Here. Go, Jomer. Come on out. This is the last day. Let's see. Sorry guys, I have to put you guys down first. Ruby just escaped. Ruby, get back in there. Come on, Ruby. Go back in there. Go back in there, girl. Go back in there. Ruby, go back in there, Ruby. Ruby, go back in there. No, you don't. No. You're going in there. Come on. Go into the room. Come on. Be a good girl. Okay, she went back in. She escaped again. She's a funny. She pooped right when I was pushing her back. That's what they're doing right now. We had to bring them in because it's more than 100 degrees in our backyard. Ooh, it's really hot. Woo! See you guys later. This is the Taylor family. Bye. My name's Riley Grace Taylor. Bye. Subscribe to our channel. Give us 105. Please give us 105 views. Please. Please, thank you. If you do, thank you so much. It's really hot in here too. Bye, guys.